See this guys, by just doing a video editing, how much money do I earn from this only website? Okay, so what I need to do, you can see this guys, people are actually all over the world how much they are earning. So I have shown you in this video guys how you can generate part-time income by just creating short videos, okay, from this reputed website, absolutely free of cost guys. Not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend. You can see this guys, you just need to type some scripts and create a scenes, and you can download your movies. You can see this small videos for your clients, and you are getting paid this much amount of money. Just watch this video till the end. Hello guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just creating videos. And guys, you do not have to be a graphic designer or a video editor in order to make super professional videos. You just need to come up here, and guys, this website will offer you a free 14-day trial which you can utilize with multiple email IDs. Okay, and step by step I'll show you how you can create it, okay, and how people are generating thousands and thousands of videos, okay, thousands and thousands of videos from this website, as well as thousands and thousands of dollars per month from this website. Okay, so just come up here guys, and you can see this. This is vidnami.com. okay, the link is in the description box. You can just come up here, and you can also contribute, and you can contribute your skills over this website, and you will be generating videos from this website. So what type of things we can do from this? Okay, so just come up here, and you just need to click on this free trial guys. So it will ask you your mail, okay, and your password, okay, that you need to reset. So everything is in the description box. Okay, so I just show you guys. You can see this, I just show you. Okay, I just need to click on this free trial, and I have already did it guys. A pop-up message is coming. You can see this, my this 14-day trial is start, and I'm getting 14-day trial, and I can download unlimited videos from this website. Okay, so I just need to quickly show you on my mail ID what type of things you need to see. So I just open my mail ID. Okay, so you can see this guys, you can see this, so this is my mail. So you just need to click on this access Vietnami, and you just need to reset your password. So I just quickly show you by doing the login. Okay, and I'll show you how to download your videos from this website. Okay, so I just need to enter my password, and this is my mail. So you can see this guys, I have already come up here, and you can see this. So I just need to click on this create new video. Okay guys, I just need to click on this create new video, and you can see that guys, there are hundreds and hundreds of templates that are available on this website. Hundreds and hundreds of templates that you can actually perform, and you can download it. Okay, so first and the foremost thing that I need to give you is your guys, you can see this, whatever format, you can see this in landscape, and whatever format you want, you can get. Okay, so you can see this guys, how people are actually doing and performing these kind of templates. You can see this influencer videos. There are some influencer videos, ads videos guys. People are actually posting Facebook ads, Google ads. Okay, so you can also create, you can become a sport partner for them, and you can create it. Okay, you can see this guys, sales video, okay, course and training video that you can offer. Okay guys, so these are certain things that you can do guys, and one most important thing is this guys, your instant ads. Okay, so let us suppose guys, you are just taking this shopping workout. Okay, so I just need to use this template. So just click on this use this templates, and you can see this guys, you can automatically create a script for yourself. Okay, you can see you just need to click on this edit scene and it will automatically do everything for you. Okay, if you want to add some clips, if you want to add your images, you can also do it. You can see this, guys. Okay, add clips, add your scenes. Okay, transition, fade. You can add lots and lots of transitions as well from this on this videos. You can see this, guys. You can even add voiceover. Okay, your own voiceover. You can just need to click on this. Okay, audio voice, and you just need to click on this play sample. Okay, so you can do it, guys. It's absolutely free. You can even record your voice. You can see this. You just need to click on this and you just need to type speak your voice. You can see this, guys. It has asked me to allow my microphone. Okay, so I just need to click on this record, and you can see this, guys. I have actually doing the audio recording. You can see this, guys. You can see this. You can see the amplification. So this is one way of doing it. Okay, you can check out the preview as well, preview of this movie that you have created. Okay, some sentences do not have recorded audio yet. Okay, so I just need to click on this no voice track. Okay, so if you if you are adding, guys, a voice, then it needs to be channelized, and sequence wise it should be summarized. And you can see this, guys, based upon your genre you can select, and you can see this, guys. This is a video that it's created. You can even edit it. You can see this, guys. You can edit on these. You can add scripts. Okay, and you can do various kind of platforms that you can do. You just need to click on this download button and you are good to go. So actually, guys, how to make money, you can always say that you can open your YouTube channel, guys. So you can see this, guys. This is one of the channel, guys. You can see this Body Hub. Okay, this is one of the channel which uses the similar kind of support from this website. Okay, and you can see this, guys. They are actually doing the same. You can see this. They are actually doing the same. If I just click on this preview button, they are actually doing the same thing. So what they are doing, they just use the templates. You can see they just click the use these kind of templates. Okay, you can see this, guys. They are just using these kind of templates, and they are actually earning good amount of money from this. Okay, you can even set up your you can see this, guide edit. I can edit these kind of transcripts. Okay, create scenes. You can see this, guys. You can edit these details. See this. Okay, so you can even modify it. Okay, see this. Okay, if I just do some editing, so you can see this. This is the way that you can do. You can even add some another scenes which will help you to generate more insight. You can even provide these kind of supports. You just need to download these templates, okay, free of cost, and you can just make a portfolio on upwork.com. okay, on upwork.com. okay, I just need to create a portfolio on upwork.com, and you just need to type here is this video editing. Okay, video editing. Okay, just need to type this video editing, and you can see this, guys, per hour how much they are created, and they have already earned. You can see this, guys, 50,000 plus earned from this only reputed platform. Okay, so it's a best way to generate a passive income, guys. Okay, you can utilize your time on by doing such and such kind of things. Okay, and guys, if you upload your videos on YouTube, you can even generate affiliate links from Amazon. Okay, you can promote health products. Okay, you can health products you can promote. If you can see this, guys, this channel will not only making the videos, but they are also promoting their health products. You can give in the description box the affiliate links. You can see this, guys. You can give these affiliate links, these health products that you can promote, and you can charge not only from the YouTube AdSense, but you can also charge money from by doing freelance work as well as your affiliate commission. So 3-in-1 earning sources I have shown you, guys. Now it's your time to just go now and utilize these free trials, guys. Okay, utilize this free trial. You just need to click on this download button, okay, and you can download it. Now it might ask you a question that, sir, how to remove the watermark? So what you can do, guys, you can see this, just come up here and type remove watermark online. Okay, you just need to click on this remove watermark online, and you can see this, guys. Okay, you just need to upload your image, or you can see this remove watermark online, and you can, there are hundreds and hundreds of platforms that will provide you tools to remove your remove the watermark from the videos. Okay, so it's absolutely free of cost, guys. You do not have to spend a penny from your pocket. Just click on this generate video, and it will automatically start the process. Okay, you can see this, it will automatically start the whole process, so you do not have to worry about anything. It will done automatically for you. Okay, so just go now and just started earning money from these reputed platforms. This is it for this video. We'll see you in the next. Happy earning.